So this is the first week I've actually allowed students to submit projects to the show, hackingtons.com/scratch. And the first contestant is 044 Sandstone in Canada, but doesn't have any shared projects. What? How can I show off your games? But I did notice that you are following the Coding for Kids Scratch studio. That's awesome. I wrote that book. All right. Shameless plug right there. Buy the book. It's actually very well reviewed on Amazon. Post something. I will make sure to play one of your games. Okay, we have another submission from the Pleasant Hill Hackingtons location. I don't know exactly who made this game, but it wins the Wacky Award of the Week. You're a bug who's shooting things at scratch screens. Mr. Cat tries to survive before getting caught. Okay, this looks like a combination game by one of our students at Pleasant Hill. And I don't know who it was exactly. Oh, look at that. Hey, that's what I say when I eat a donut. Hey, I'm gonna get that key, and then I'm not gonna let that puppy dog touch me. What, don't you like petting? Okay, I can't resist the donut. I'm super excited about this game, Germ Collector by KB the Scratcher, because this is obviously the game that's going to cure the coronavirus. Let's see how it works. Oh, it looks like it is a 3-player game. That's pretty impressive. WASD, what is it? ILK, and up and down. This is pretty awesome. There's that coronavirus. Let's get it. Get out of the way. Now, I hate to finish the show on a sad note, but this is The Game with No Story by TF2 Player 10. Awesome game, no story. Don't believe me? Just watch this.
Hi user. I am sorry to say, but there is no story. So this is just a game without a story.
No story. All right. It's a very difficult game. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And guess what? That's all the submissions I had. Yes, I showed off all the projects that you submitted to the show this week. And next week, there'll be more and more and more until I can't show them all off. But I will do my very best. So go to hackingtons.com/scratch and submit your game. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like, because that's what I'm supposed to say. See ya.